Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to appeal and reinstate a disabled Facebook account. As you can see, it says you are not allowed to advertise. You are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with our advertising policies affecting business assets, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. Now, if you come to the ad manager, you will also see some red warning that says that you are restricted from advertising. You can't run or manage ad account. Then you also go to the business settings. You will see the same thing. Okay, so we have to appeal and get this issue resolved once and for all. So how do we do that exactly? So first of all, what you have to do is when you come to the when you log into your Facebook, you come and then go to Ad Manager. And when you click on it, it brings you to here. And please, I advise you to use a computer to do it. Don't use your mobile phone because you can't see these options on a phone, or you can't do it properly on a phone. Okay, so when you come to the Ad Manager, when you see this, click on See Details. It will bring you to the Business Support Home, where you can see the details of the restriction, or otherwise from here, you can just come and click on All Tools, and then you click on Business Support Home. It will still bring you here. And when it brings you here, you check, you will see the restriction and everything they will say about it. So you have to request a review. And in requesting a review, you have to make certain changes before you make the request. So what are those changes? Number one, you have to make sure that you edit your account name to match with the name of the name you are going to use on your ID, or the name that is on your ID card. And when I talk about the ID card, because you have to do an identity verification, they will ask of your passport, and then they will also ask of your so your passport will be requested. You can ask of your so when they ask for your passport, what I'm just trying to let you know is that the information that is on your ID card, not just your passport, they can ask of identity card, your normal, the identity card of your country, your passport, your driving license, or your voter ID card. And so when they ask for it, they are going to look at the details on the card, and the details on the card, one of the things they'll be looking at is your first and last name. They are going to look at, does it tally with what is on your Facebook account? First and last name. They'll look at your date of birth. So your first and last name and your date of birth are the key things they are going to look at. You have to make sure that it complies or it tallies. So what we are supposed to do is, so you come to your Facebook, and then you click on your profile picture at the top right-hand corner. You go to your settings and privacy, go to settings, and then you check on personal details. Then under personal details, you check on, okay, you still click on personal details. You see the birth date. So you check your birth date, look at the details. Is that exactly the way it is supposed to be? If it is not the exact thing with the what is on your ID card, you have to make sure you change it. If you don't change it, then you won't be able to make the appeal. Okay. Then you also go to your profiles, and then you check your name. Your name, look at the order. What is the first and the last name and the middle name? Does it tally exactly with what is on your ID card? If it tallies, fine. If it doesn't tally, make the change. Okay. If you make the change, or if everything is okay, then you now come here. You click on Request Review. That is, you come back to the Facebook Business Support Home. Click on Request Review. Click on Get Started. They will say they want to confirm whether it is you or not. So you click on I am not a robot. Click Continue. They will say that they want to send a number to your phone to confirm that it is you. So you click on Continue. You put a code and click on Continue. Then it will ask you to submit your ID card. So there's one thing I was supposed to say that I forgot. Also remember to check your gender. So by gender, check at least whether male or female. You go to the about section, go to contact and basic info. So you check your gender, whether male or female, and see whether it's the same on the ID card. Okay. Then so you upload your ID card. Then you click on continue. Then you click on continue again. They will ask you to tell the reason why you are requesting a review. Click on another reason. Don't click on I don't know what policy I violated. Click on another reason. Then I'm going to show you the reason you should give. Tell them that, hello, dear Facebook, my Facebook account has been restricted from advertising and I am told I violated your policies. I've taken time to read all your policies as stipulated in. Then you put the link to the policies. So the link to the policies is, I will leave a link to in the description so that you know the policies, where the Facebook policies, the link that will lead you to those policies. So you indicated that you have gone to read all their policies and you can see you haven't really violated any of them. You are sure it will definitely be a mistake and they should take time to review your account and reinstate it. Then after that, you click on send, click close. They will review the account and within 48 hours, they will reinstate it for you. If you take time to follow this procedure, you're going to get your account reinstated. If you follow it and you still don't get your account reinstated, then you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can also contact me and then I'll be able to help you get your account reinstated. We charge very affordable prices and we'll be able to help you and get your account reinstated so you can advertise again. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. Bye-bye.